Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can add comments to a file document. So just like you can see, I have it opened on my mobile phone, but then if you are using a PC you'd have to get Microsoft Word. If you have it, you can do the same thing, and then the procedures involved in doing this on a PC is quite similar to what I'll be doing now. So if you watch this video you can grasp the concept and then you do it on your PC too as well. So let's get going. So let's say somebody sent me a file, something like this, an essay, and he's like, Michael, glance through and then let me know your take on it. So let's say I've read through this essay, this SOP, and then I'm like, I have a problem with this paragraph. So I'd have to tap on it. So that's a mobile procedure, but then on a PC too, you would have to just copy it like that. And then you see I get add comment section here. So I tap on the add comment and then I type the comment here, maybe add blah blah blah, yeah, and then I'll send something like this. So just like you can see, you see that section is being highlighted. When I tap on that highlighted section, you see add blah blah blah. Good. And then let's say I have a problem with this section too as well, so I copy it as well, and then I get the add comment section and then I do this blah blah blah, same thing, and then I do send as well. So now I'll have to save it. So just like you can see here, I'll save the changes. Let me save it on my device, something like this, and I save it. So good. Now I have this file here, this saved file, which is one. So when I send it to the person and the person views it, I think it's not done saving, but then when I send it to the person and then the person views it, the person is going to see those highlighted text there, and when you tap on it, you are going to see these things here. It's going to be something like this. So when you tap on it, you see the blah blah blah. Yeah. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add comments to a docs file. You can do it on a PC, you can do it on your mobile phone too as well. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and then subscribe to our channel.